Namaskar, I am your host Narayankar. Friends, in the morning I had given a video stating that the law of karma would haunt Mamta Banerjee over the death of Nimta Mataji, who had died today morning after she was thrashed mercilessly by three TMC goons on February 27. Her death has pushed the entire nation into remorse, condoling the Matashri's death due to severe injuries. She was hit on her head, face, and neck by the three TMC goons. Reacting to this, Amit Shah has expressed his anguish over Nimta Mata's death. He said in a tweet that the pain and wounds of her family will haunt Mamta Didi for long. Reacting to Amit Shah's tweet, Mamta Didi said she was not aware of the real reason behind the death. I would like to cut here and retort that the issue is not the real reason behind Nimta Mata's death, but three TMC goons thrashing her to death. And this was revealed by none other than Nimta Mata to a TV channel when she was thrashed. She had claimed clearly that she was hit on her head, face, and neck by three TMC goons. That is the issue, Mamta Didi, not what you are seeking for, the real reason behind her death. Not only that, Mamta Banerjee also criticized Amit Shah by asking him why was he silent when Hathras incident took place. Are Didi, why should Amit Shah speak on an issue which is a state subject? Already there is a BJP government in Uttar Pradesh and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is dealing with it, and he has dealt with it right from the beginning. And as far as comparing Hathras incident with Nimta Mata's assault is laughable and insane. Insane why? Because Hathras incident was not politically motivated. There was no involvement of political goons in that case. Whereas the attack of Nimta Matas was a political attack and a political murder because Mamta Didi, your party goons, had beaten her to death. Mamta Didi's frustration and insanity are quite in the open. She knows it is very difficult to make people forget this incident, and hence she has gone amok. She doesn't know what to do. And before I wind up, a word on Lutyens media. They come in hordes in support of anti-India and anti-Hindu Gauri Lankesh. And one character comes to my mind immediately. A drunkard fool coming to the PTI office and dishing out muck, whose arguments were worse than an auto driver's. These fools are silent, and there is no noise, no protest march, nothing. These idiots think if they don't speak up, people will forget. No, no, no. This is New India. Their karmas will bring them, as it is happening with Mamta Didi. Period.